New at 10, the city of Decatur fighting back against a federal lawsuit. They're trying to dismiss that suit filed by the family of Steve Perkins, the Decatur man who was shot and killed by police back in September. WAAY 31 reporter Maddie McCaffrey joins us live from Decatur with all those details.
Yeah, hey, Dan and Nikel. So lawyers for the city of Decatur, they gave several reasons as to why they want a federal judge to dismiss them from a wrongful death lawsuit that was filed at the end of last year by Steve Perkins' widow, Catrella. After reading through the 8-page motion, the biggest takeaway is that lawyers for the city of Decatur say that in the wrongful death lawsuit, there is no claim that shows Decatur had an unconstitutional law on the books that contributed to Steve Perkins' death. Local attorney who's kept a close eye on the Perkins case, Carl Cole, weighed in on the city's motion.
As it stands here, that's the city's motion to get out of the case based on the fact that there is no policy that has been violated or no policy that's inconsistent with the Constitution, has probably a decent chance of being granted without knowing the full details of what was alleged in the complaint, what backs up those facts alleged in the complaint. I'm sure that the plaintiffs are going to have a response to it, and then Judge Mays will be able to sort that out.
I also spoke with Cannon Lambert, one of Catrella Perkins' attorneys, about the city filing this motion to dismiss their lawsuit.
I guess it's not something that we're surprised by, that the defendants don't want to be perceived or deemed to be liable for Mr. Perkins' death. But Mr. Perkins' family didn't want this to happen to begin with. So we find ourselves in an unfortunate set of circumstances.
Now, the lawyers for the Perkins family, they have a couple weeks to submit their responses to the motions that were filed to dismiss their wrongful death lawsuits. Then after that, it's all up to the federal judge for the Northern District of Alabama to determine the timeline on what happens with all of this. Of course, we'll let you know the latest news on this case. For now, I'm live in Decatur with coverage you can count on. Maddie McCaffrey, WAAY 31 News.